Hello, hello. In this episode we're going to work on some French knots, and for this I'm going to use all 6 strands of embroidery floss and I'm going to pop a little knot in the end. So starting at the centre of the first French knot marker point, I'm going to pull my needle all the way through and hang onto the thread with my thumb and forefinger. I'm then going to wrap it around the needle 5 times and then pull the needle back through. To show that again, I'm going to come up through the centre of the second marker point, holding my needle in one hand and then holding the thread in my thumb and forefinger of the other, and again wrapping it round 5 times. And then I'm going to put my needle back through again, creating the second French knot. Now it's important when you wrap your thread around the needle that you're using the bit of thread that goes between the area you're holding and the fabric. It's that bit of thread that you need to have some tension on, and then you can pull the knot all the way through and it will form nicely on top without being too loose. The more times you wrap your thread around the needle, the bigger the knot will be, or you can wrap it around just once for a smaller knot, and also you can use fewer strands and that will give you some really teeny tiny French knots. So there we go, 4 French knots completed.